Conceding defeat, Karnataka CM Basavaraj Bommai said the BJP has not been able to make the mark. The BJP won 64 seats while the JDS, which is hoping to be kingmaker, won only 20 seats. Basavaraj Bommai will step down as the Chief Minister of the state Saturday evening. Once the results come, we will do a detailed analysis. As a national party, we will not only analyze but also see what deficiencies and gaps were left at various levels. We take this result in our stride, Basavaraj Bommai said. The two Congress contenders are Karnataka Congress Chief D.K. Shivkumar, who won from Kanakapura seat after securing 70% of the votes, and Siddaramaiah. All eyes are now on who the party will pick as the next Chief Minister. Will it be Siddaramaiah or D.K. Shivkumar? Addressing a press conference at the Congress headquarters in New Delhi, Rahul Gandhi said, नफरत की बाजार बंद हो गई है, मोहब्बत की दुकान खुल गई है. Market of hatred has shut down, the shop of love has opened. Bureau Report, Herald TV.